Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. Today we're going to be reviewing or testing out this orbital sander by DeWalt. The model number is DCW210. And I have a power stack battery on that as well. And there we go. Sorry, that was a little Ninos, and that's him right there. He also loves DeWalt as well. Yeah. Okay. So let's go on and test this sander out. Oh yeah. So you can see this worked out really good. And let's try this side out as well. Oh yeah. So this little baby really works good. And so does this baby. Hey baby. What's happening? Yeah, we got it. Okay guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.